We worked with a realtor who referred us to a sales manager in Frisco Ridge named Brent Gosnell, and he helped us tremendously along the way. We actually became very good friends, and I like that. I like having a friendship with the salesman. My name is Shannon, and I live in Frisco Ridge in Yukon. We were deciding to move from New York, and we wanted to build a house the way we wanted it. I did it all via phone and FaceTime because we were in New York and 22 hours away. This is actually our third home we've purchased since we've been married, and it was different because we got to build our house the way that we've always wanted a house. Our first two houses, we never had a front porch, and I love being able to sit outside. So I go out there with my coffee in the morning, and I just like being out in the neighborhood and seeing what's going on and being on the front porch. And I like the jetted tub because I never had one of those before. And right now we're actually enjoying the fireplace. So there's a lot of things I like about it. We did a lot of searching from New York, and we came out to visit. And I wasn't fond of other home builders and their personnel. So I was very happy with Tabor, and that's why we chose Tabor.